Back, guys. We're going to be determining the general solution. So you have 6 sine squared x. X. So yeah, here we have 6 sine squared x um, and cos x and minus 3. The first thing to do is that we want to make the ratios to be the same. So we know the identity sine squared x plus cos squared x equals to 1, right? So now, from this, we know that sine squared x is equals to 1 minus cos squared x, right? So that means that in place of sine squared x, I can put 1 minus cos squared x plus 7 cos of x minus 3 cos to 0. Oh, sorry, don't do an equal sign that side, right? So this is 6 minus 6 cos squared x plus 7 cos x minus 3 cos to 0. So minus 6 cos squared x plus 7 cos x plus 3 cos to 0. If you multiply by negative 1 on both sides, gonna get 6 cos squared x minus 7 cos x minus 3 cos to 0. Because now I will multiply by negative is to make this to be a positive, but then it's gonna change the signs of these two. And then so now you're going to factorize. So there are different ways of factorizing, but then the one which I'm going to use is that here we're gonna have a 3 cos of x, we're gonna have a 2 cos of x, and here we need a 3, right? And here we need a 1. So that here we're gonna have a negative, here we're gonna have a positive. So you can check multiple videos on how to factorize in various different places. I'm just gonna keep it short here. And then so here we're gonna have cos of x is equals to negative 1 over 3, or cos of x is equals to 3 over 2. And if you don't like to factorize, you can also use the quadratic formula. Yeah, you can do that. If you want me to make a video whereby I use the quadratic formula, you can type in the comment section. I'll do that for you. And then so here, you see here that cos x is equals to 3 over 2. And this is not going to be applicable because if you check the function of cos, right, it has a maximum of 1 and it has a minimum of negative 1. And 3 over 2 is like 1.5, which is like above the graph. So you can see that there is no x value which matches with this y value. That is why we cannot continue there. So there is no x value which can give us 3 over 2. But if you come here now, I'm going to show you guys a simple way of doing this stuff. It's called the angle, the calculator angle method. So on your calculator, just say shift cos negative 1 over 3. So when you do your shift cos, you got like 1.91, right? So that means you're going to have an x of. So now that 1.91 is your reference angle. So you're going to say plus or minus that 1.91. And then because it's general solution, you're going to say plus k 360. And don't forget your k is an element of integers. And then you are done with your answer. Yes. Sharp.